Alright, this is a video for Carli 6 and we've created calamares. Well, first check if ArcoLinux and Carli are still following each other. Then calamares, the software, the application, and calamares, the configuration. And then I saw something that I said, oh yeah, we're still on our to-do list, and that's probably why I've left it there. We need a package build for the next one, yay bin. So what if we have indeed an ISO that's going to work and install Plasma or XFCE or Mate, anything you put up here is going to be on your ISO, right? These guys, that's the desktop. You would like to have an AOR helper, yay this, yay that, or tries and this, tries and that. Okay, if you want to have a package that's not done with sudo pacman -s, anything that can be done with sudo pacman -s can go on the ISO. So yay bin, right? Now there is a problem. This is coming from repo third party. So basically it's coming from us. It's not coming from ArcoLinux, so that does not count. You need to have a package build for this particular guy. If you're on ArcoLinux, it's not there. It's never going to be there. Okay, how do I do that? Well, I start typing AUR and then yay bin. I have typed countless of packages like that, and you get yay. Whoa. Was it one of my videos? That's one of my videos. Install yay bin or arch, how to install, and so on. We're gonna get this. We're gonna download the snapshot. We can have a look at the package build, but downloading the snapshot gives us a tar gz, show in folder, opening yay bin, extract here, there you are, and this one, Ctrl X. Let's take this with us to, well, actually to, let's have a look, Carli 6. Here are all our package builds. So you go there. That's one of our package builds. So I can actually do make package. Is this difficult? I think not, right? It's built. Now I can put this on my repo and it's done. It's already there. I can do sudo pacman -s and it's coming from my personal repo or Carli repo. If you don't know what I'm talking about, take a look at some videos prior to this one, but we can show you, of course, with this one, the pacman.conf. We have created a Carli repo and we've told it where it is here on that server, ArcoLinux ISO GitHub repo arch. Go get that particular package. If I put it on there. Now, I thought maybe this is a good time to start figuring out ArcoLinux build package. Build package. ArcoLinux Arch build system, creating packages, make package, all interesting links. Let's start with this guy. ABS, Arch build system. Okay, ABS system, we all know it's a braking system, but this is then Arch build system. You can make install clean, package star exec, that needs to be changed. It's ZST, is it? These days, but there is a package build, bash script that contains the URL, make the package, and then extensions, AUR, package builds, unsupported, repository trees, use cases, usage, retrieve the package builds. Okay, and you start reading. Package builds, groups. Okay, fine. Next link, create packages. Article aims to assist users creating their own packages using .and so on. all kinds of prerequisites, software you need, unpack the files and folders, configure, make, install, source directory, package directory. We've seen it in Calamares. We've seen it in the Calamares configuration, what a source directory is, what a package directory is, just one video back. Prepare versions, build. I had hoped to find something to, here it is, building in clean chroot. It's somewhere in the link on the site, not inside the text, but just here. Developer wiki, building in a clean chroot. Okay. The article is part of developer wiki. Fine. Why? Building in a clean chroot prevents missing dependencies in packages, whether due to unwanted linking or packages missing in the dependency array in the package build. It also allows users to build a package for the stable repositories, core, extra community, and so on. Convenience way to quickly build a package in a clean chroot without any further tinkering. One can use the helper scripts from the DevTools packages. These helper scripts could be called where the package is, just like make package, for instance. Okay, I've never done that, I think. I don't know. Has been a while. And once it's up and running, it's up and running. You don't need it anymore. -c parameter resets the chroot matrix, which can be useful in case of breakage. So if you want to clean it up, you can do. It's not needed for building in a clean chroot. So we'd like to make a semi-mini ArcoLinux environment, a bubble in this day and age. Everything is a bubble or a silo where people keep in and keep healthy. But it's more or less the same way. It's a protected part and it thinks it's the only thing around. Okay. We're gonna need the DevTools package. So I'm gonna teach you how to build packages, and Bin is gonna be an example of it, to build them in clean chroot. Now what I do is I put them in documents, and documents has a lot of stuff, and that's out of there. Don't need that. Empty trash. Setting up a chroot. Okay, fine, let's set up a chroot. Pass terminal here. Okay, and then make the directory chroot. Yeah, so first, sudo pacman -s devtools. Now, DevTools brings us what? Brings us Apper, Breezy, Python, Subversion, DevTools. Okay, you say? I say whatever. Huh? I see you have an update to do. Let's update the system here. All. So that guy is now up to date. And the white thing will come again. So I would like to know something. I would like to know the DevTools. DevTools, what's in there? Files. Look at that. There's the Arch and spawn, Arch build, Arch release, check package, commit package, extra package, find package. Scroll through them. So the make chroot package, make repro package, make arch root. So all applications that we might need. Okay, so the DevTools give us that, which this command we just came across, that command inside this package. Well, we could actually go inside here as well, and you can have a look at this like this as well. So they want us to build a chroot, but I'd rather have it in my documents rather than on my root, so inside my home directory. I'd rather have it inside documents. That's the only difference. So I'm gonna say make me the directory called chroot. So I still know That's where it's going to be. Define the chroot variable. Okay, we're going to say this is my chroot, but let's see here. Create a directory in which you run, for example, that one. Okay, define the chroot variable equals this one. Now create a chroot. I'm going to do this. Okay, so for now that's okay. So the chroot variable will be gone later on, but for now it's cool. Well, first do maybe an echo home, because I'm going to use it. So echo home seems to be home Eric, right? Now the application, the folder is in $home and then documents and chroot. So it's a little bit longer than the example here. Chroot equals $home and not chroot, but documents and then chroot. Okay, so that's my home directory, chroot. Then it's going to say make me this arch, let's see, okay, arch ISO, make arch chroot. We have the variable that we created, chroot, fine, and then yes, okay, root, and then base devel. Ooh, that's wrong. Devel. Okay, that happens when we make typos. So we have already chroot, so, sudo remove chroot. It has to go again, -r and so on. Bye, it's out of here. And I'm gonna make a new folder, chroot again. This time no typos. This is it, yep. What's happening? He's making a folder called root. What's inside the folder? A complete Linux system. And with German. Doesn't matter. But it has a complete etc. Well, not a complete, it's a minimal base system is here. A lot of stuff is here, in here. And it installed 107 packages or so. Probably the Arch ISO elements. Okay, that's done. So we are at this line. One can also define the chroot variable in the bash rc. Sounds like a good idea. So this thing, that thing, sounds like a good idea to set it somewhere. Using the export command if the location is to be repeatedly used. So export command, Linux export command. Let's take this one, environment variable. We can say that this is going to be the export command. Export and then something else. That's basically what we have to do. And they are saying in the bash rc, you can see some more links. There we go again, all this stuff. So key this, key that, some examples somewhere. So here are all elements we can use. Here is something like what we're doing, right? My var, and then something is in there. Okay, we know enough. So we go back to this one. So this guy, Ctrl-Shift-C. It's dangerous to put it in the bash rc. Why? Bash rc's get overwritten with every scal you do. So this one gets overwritten, but this one is called bash rc personal. So right mouse click, create document, empty file, type bash rc personal, open it up. Already something in there. Control V. I'm gonna say export me that particular name, chroot, and put this in there. So when I do a environment env, it has to be in there somewhere. Now we can do a grep, but it has to be in there somewhere. Shouldn't it be chroot? Or will it be next time? Is it already in there? Let's not waste time. Grep and then chroot. No, so it's gonna be in there next time. When we boot up, export chroot this guy, save. So don't put it in the bash rc, put it in the bash rc personal. This is why my personal stuff, and I even have another one called bash rc private. So the more sensitive data go in there. Some stuff. No, I actually don't use any of these anymore. But at some point in time, you know, had an idea, a what if. Put your what ifs in the bash rc personal. So that's that. Next time around it will be remembered where my chroot environment is. This is it. Inside documents, chroot, and there's the root and the root log. BTRF, that's not for us. Yeah, yeah, it's actually important. It's actually important. It's already done, but edit the make package conf to set the packager name and make flags. Also adjust the mirror list in chroot, enable the testing repo if you want that, if desired. So it is really a system on its own, which means it has its own pacman.conf thing. So if anything should be changed, it should be changed in here. So if you want to include the testing or the multi-lib or anything like it, or your own repo maybe, I don't know, anything goes, but install it here. Custom pacman.conf with, you can actually do it with a command. Okay, better use a command, right? Let's stick with the make package conf. Edit the make package conf. All right, so that's actually, where is it saying it is? It's saying, they say it's up here. I wouldn't look for it there. I believe they mean to set the package. Ah. I'm wondering what they mean by that. Me, I would look for this guy. Probably skipped something. So here we have a make package configuration. XZ is ZST, I think it was. What are the extensions these days? So we go to the package builds, to the repo. These days we have ZST as package builds, and all of them are good. That's a check. So ZST, who's building this? John Doe somewhere. So, packager. John Doe is actually Eric Dubois. Eric.Dubois at gmail.com. Save. Okay, this is what I would do. But it looks like we can also make a conf file, so we can make a copy of this file, put it on our home directory. Let's put it in hidden, and that will take it as well. Okay, so I went always straight to the etc. unless I've missed something, I skipped something, because I'm not reading everything, going diagonally. So the bash RC, we've done that, that's not for us. So the packager name, make flags, we've not changed the make flags. The make flags. Just let's flags, voila. Let's see, because there are some things you keep in your mind and the others that you say, what was it again? That's one of those. Make package. So this is the original one. And make package files, where are you? Here, I think, that's one of them. Compress. I'm not sure. But I think these are my my cores. Can we see the cores here? Nope, we can't. Bash top, can we see the cores there? Bash top. Well, I have more cores, but this is a small screen. So Control C, Control T, bash top, make it super big, and voila. I have 8 cores, so I believe that's number 8. So this is my etc make package.conf. This is the one from chroot. We have a ZST here. That's true, that's new. I should think about that. So let's put it back here. What should we do? We should get this one, minus t minus 8. It's minus t minus 8. That was for this guy. After minus c. But I'm not using this guy anymore. Is that like this? Let's have a look. With a space. The question is if this guy will let me do that as well. Well, we'll see. So minus t and then 8. Save. So basically we need to update our systems. So Carli can be updated as well. Carli SSD, I mean. So this is the chroot, okay? Chroot using 8, but there was another thing, I think there was something else we could change. Had to do with a J, something else. Another flag somewhere. That's something I'll have to look up. So we're using 8 processors. That's cool. That's cool, that's cool. All right, let's clean up our Carli thing. So this is what we have. Then an update comes. And ArcoLinux says that's your update. And it's going to call it pack new. So I'm gonna change my make package configuration. I'm gonna update it. I can't update it since I'm not empowered to use meld to write there. But when I open that as root, I become the master of my system. If I go to makepackage.conf, almost there, makepackage.conf, these two guys, right mouse click, now I'm in control, now I can use compare, and now we'll see the make flags that are different. So that's it, that's what the one we forgot, the J9, J2, so no, mine is correct, it's 8 processors plus 1. Make flags. J9 is cool. No need to change that. Is there anything new? John Doe is Eric. Good. This is new. So this is a new line. Control C. So now I'm fixing my own system, right? It's not Carli, it's not a chroot. It's my own system that I'm fixing. I'm working on. Control C. I'm gonna try if that works. And later on my own system. Save. Use 8 processors, use, and so on. That's different. This is new. Okay, go in there. And XZ, that's strange. Why is it called XZ? Because we've gone over to ZST. Why wouldn't they do that? Changes to the new extension rather than keeping the XZ extension. Okay. I don't know. But this is cool. This is okay. So now we know we need to go and have a look at the Control C, the make flags. Save. Out of here. Out of here. Make package. This is what we get for the make package. All right, there he is, line 44. Found you. Okay, save. We'll see how it works. So we have make flags chain 9, meaning I have 8 processors. You have 4, you take 5, you have 12 processors, you get 13, and so on. So one more than the actual amount of processors. Okay. That's the chroot, J9, ZST, and we'll see if the ZST, that's a new extension, will work with that one. It'll throw an error if it doesn't work, simple as that. And then, don't need to do that. So custom-pacman.conf, building a chroot. Firstly, make sure the base chroot is up to date. Okay, copy. Arch root pacman. Okay, so it's going to see if everything in that particular folder is up to date. Now I've just created it, would surprise me to see some changes. Then build the package by calling make chroot package in the directory containing its package build. Oops. So that's the link behind package build. But I don't have a package build, not here, right? So where is my package build? I think that's done. Okay, that's done. So we have our documents, we have our chroot, we go to Carli and we build something. We want to build Yabin. And we can do it with make package. That's done. You see the result. We can also build it with this particular text here. And the text we need to know. Then by build, here it is. Then build a package by calling containing its package build. Okay, package build here. Control C, Control Shift V. Let's see if it works. It's gonna make a different folder called Eric, downloading everything. And then we have a problem. Aha, ZST. So the 8, a typo. So the make package that I created probably made a typo somewhere. Documents, chroot. So the new Eric here, roots, etc, the make package.conf. It says here can't stat 8, but we did something with 8, remember? Aha, forgot the space. A space is everything in life. Or a tab, or a point, or a comma. Always fun. building it again. So maybe, oh, I got something else again. Maybe it's a good thing to know. And chroot, you have two folders now, an ArcoLinux and a root. So again, back to the same file. Sorry guys, it's what it is. So is he not getting understanding what it is? That's so cool. Okay, then const 8 zstd, yep, that's it. So this guy, he doesn't get what that is. Doesn't know what that is. So fine. Now I'm wondering, let's do that again. Might be, no, it's done. So okay, I have to see if there's a possibility to tweak it or make it better so it's using more cores, but maybe it's not necessary at all. So basically what's wrong as well then, that's this guy. Need to fix that here as well. That guy, he can't get it. This works fine with xset, but we're not using that anymore. So fixed. Now I can build on my own machine as well. So there we go. We have created a yay bin package in clean chroot. Now this is not very interesting. Well, it's interesting and it's not interesting. I mean, we need to make more and more a way to do it automatically. Some kind of build scripts, all right? So that's what I've done, rather than understanding again and again what to do. Maybe it's interesting to see, is everything up to date? Yes. Then build the package, and then put the package somewhere else, and so on. So the process, the workflow, if it becomes tedious, it becomes repetitive, then it's time to make a build. But now, okay, now we have created Carli, package builds, yay bin. There's a tar gz, so it's a zip file, and this the execution executive, the installer, and we have a log as well. Now maybe we should include this as well. So this guy, Control X, can go on our Carli repo. In here, Control V. So we have a yay bin, a new package on our repo. I'm going to push it to the internet, and we've created a clean chroot build, rather than saying make package, which is cool as well, but there's a difference, and the difference can be looked at. Well, let's quickly build it again. So you can keep on building, no problem. All right, there we go. So this guy, cut, desktop, voila. On our desktop, we have here now a file. You can actually open these files. I believe it's called extract. Let's see. Was it un? I think it was X. So we have an alias. Just type alias in the terminal. And at the bottom end, no, just don't type alias. You need to edit the bash rc, the .bash rc. And in the end of the bash rc, you'll see the word X. You can extract a tar zst, it becomes a tar. Okay. We do an X again. Now we have extracted the tar. And now you see what's inside. This is inside. That's inside. And so much more. and now it comes. So when you go in here, Control H, it gives you information. Pacman reads more than what we get. This is what we get, the blue one and all the rest inside it. But this guy gives us information, when it's built, what the version is, and the build is who built it. Aha, not John Doe, but Eric Dubois. And Pacman is going to use, for instance, some of these elements, these variables. And what's installed? Well, it's built upon these versions of these packages. So you can read in what kind of chroot or not chroot it has been packaged. Yet another yogurt. I don't think we can open that one. Or if we can extract this even more. It is 5.4 kilobytes. I've never tried to open this. Let's see if we can open this. So yeah, we can open this, and it's useless for human beings. And that's it. Now you know a little bit more of the package we've created, that there is more that meets the eye, that there are 2 files here, well 3, that Pacman is going to use to manage its packages. All right, so I think that concludes our video. The last part here is not necessary. It's just some technical information. If you want to see what's inside a ZST, then that's how you do it. And that concludes our video. I think I'm thinking about the next step already, but let's first stop the video here.